Good morning, you guys. It's Saturday, and today I just felt like vlogging. So it's about 9:15 here, and I made my coffee, and Riley is in his rocker, as you can probably hear the little tapping noises. And Aiden is over there watching, well, Coco's right here, but he's watching Coco, and I'm just doing my little morning routine that I usually do. It's just wake up, get Aiden some Fruity Pebbles, make my coffee, put Riley in his rocker. He usually passes out like he did right now. He's already passed out. He was watching Coco also, but he passes out really fast. So yeah, I make my coffee and then I sit right here on the floor because I don't have a desk, and my laptop's right here. And I just watch some YouTube videos. I catch up on some videos, and and that's pretty much what I do in the morning. And Mia's at a friend's house. She had a sleepover last night with some of her friends from upstairs, and Aiden had to sleep in our room because he usually sleeps in, they share a room but different beds, and he didn't want to be alone, so we made him a little pallet on the floor and he slept in there. And it's a pretty gloomy day outside today. And Anthony just went to Champs to go get his bread fours that he's been waiting for forever. He put his name in for a raffle and got them. So he went to go pick them up. He has to pick them up before 3 o'clock. So he went to go do that. But yeah, so I'm just gonna watch some YouTube videos, and I'm gonna dye my hair today. Right now it looks really black, but it's because I haven't washed my hair in like 2 days, and my hair gets really oily quickly because it's pretty thin. So I know it's best to wash your hair on dirty hair because the color holds on to dirty hair better than clean hair, I guess. So I didn't wash my hair, which was like really, that's not like me because I wash my hair every single day, which is probably why it's oily. But I know it's not good to wash your hair every day, but that's what I do because it just gets oily and I just don't like it being oily. So right now it's like really annoying me because I just feel dirty because my hair is oily. But in order to dye my hair, I needed to not wash it. So I just threw it up in a bun and it's out of my face. So I'm probably gonna dye my hair today. I wanted to dye my hair black. I wanted to change it up. But yeah, so I'm just gonna watch some videos and drink my coffee and but yeah, if I do anything today, I'm gonna film it because like I said, I just feel like vlogging for some reason. But yeah, happy Saturday. so this is my hair completely dried. It's still like maybe 5% wet, but it's like mainly dry. But this is what the color looks like. And as you can tell, it's like almost the same color as my robe, like a silky black. So it came out really nice. The ends are a lot darker than my roots. As you can see, I don't know if you can see on camera, but there's like a slight tint of brown still there. So I don't know why I didn't pick up that much on my roots. Like for the most part, it's even, but like right here, you can still see like a little bit of brown. At least I can see it. For the most part, it's dyed. So now I'm gonna cut some long layers into my hair. So I haven't done this method before, but I watched a video and I really wanted to try it, and it looked like it came out really well. So I'm just gonna try it. But yeah, this isn't a tutorial at all for cutting hair because I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just gonna see what it comes out looking like. But as you can see, my hair is all one length. There's no layers in my hair at all. It's all one length. And it just, I don't know, I need some volume and some body to it. I've been dying to cut layers into my hair, but I don't want to go get it done because I know they're going to charge me a lot just to cut layers because of the length of my hair, which if this doesn't turn out well, then I probably should have gone to someone to get my hair cut. But I think it's going to turn out fine because it didn't look that hard at all. So the first thing that she did was grab all of her hair and bring it to the front right here and put it in a ponytail. So that's what I'm gonna do. So she grabbed all of her hair like this, and then she brushed all of it just to get all the hair kind of evenly in the ponytail. So it's like pretty much like this. I'm kind of scared to cut my hair, but we'll do a little bit at a time first. I will do a little bit at a time first, and then see how it looks. Oh my gosh. Okay, so she grabbed it like this, and then she put it in a ponytail on her forehead like this. So it looked like this. And then she grabbed it like this, and then she basically just cut it straight across. So the hair that you're cutting right here is pretty much the hair that's like right here at the top of your head. And then the hair that's being brought from the back is pretty much stops sooner than where you're gonna cut, so you don't cut that the length of your hair off. So I'm gonna start with like a few inches at first, and then see where it looks, where the layers look like they are when I take my hair down. So let's start with like that. So I know that's really not that much hair. Oh my god. I'm nervous. I can't see. So I'm doing it. So there you go. There's the first chunk of hair. There's about that was about 4 or 5 inches cut off. I feel like I can cut more off though. So I'm just gonna cut more. So let's do like that much more. Like that. And she just cut straight across. So there's that. Okay, so as you can tell, that layer ends like right here, and my actual hair ends still down here. I probably shouldn't have worn black because you can't really tell. So there's definitely layers because, so here's the part that I cut, and here's the length of my hair down here. So I mean, I think I'm gonna cut a little bit more off actually, because I kind of want a little bit shorter layers. We'll see how that, oh, you know what she did? Actually, she went like from her ears. So after taking all her hair, she went from like her ears back. And then she did the same thing, but just taking this, but leaving the length down. You're really gonna go poop in the back of my video?
Huh? What?
I said you're really gonna go poop in the back of my video.
Yeah.
You know I'm recording, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm gonna put that part in ponytail. I'm gonna cut like that much off that. Can't see. Okay, there's that.
What?
Can you guys see how silky and shiny my hair is? I didn't put anything in my hair after I came out of the shower. Okay. So there's... Don't mind someone that's on the toilet right now. Oh my gosh, Aiden. So this technique definitely works. Alright, so this is the layers, and as you can see, my hair is still really long. So it cut layers into my hair, but without cutting off the length, which is what I wanted. So now when I style my hair, when I put like curls in it, like waves in it, you'll be able to see the layers a lot better. So that's what I'm gonna do. She did another section like from the eyes back, but I don't think I'm gonna do that because that seems a little bit excessive. I don't need that short of layers, but as you can tell, there's definitely layers in my hair now.
Mom.
Yeah?
I'm done now.
You're done?
Yeah.
Good. Alright, so as you can tell, there's a good amount of layers in my hair now. I don't know if you're going to be able to tell from the back, but... Can you guys see the layers from the back? They're definitely there. And that was really easy. I'm gonna link her video down below, so if you guys want to check out the original video, go ahead and do that. But as you can see, that's pretty much all that there was to it. So now I'm just gonna put a little bit of loose waves just so you can see the layers a little bit more. And to put the waves in, I'm just gonna use my regular straightener. This is how I test to see if it's warmed up. I put it like kind of close to my face. Probably not the smartest thing to do, but that's what I do. Alright, so you can definitely see the layers better when I put a little bit of curl to my hair. So this is what my hair looks like now. Alright you guys, so that's pretty much all I have for this video.